Right, this leather case looks to be in mint condition. Virtually unused by the looks of it. Adox. So inside we got instruction manual. Adox 300. The camera. Also looks to be mint and unused. Looks like there's a magazine inside. Anyway, let's have a look at the magazine first. So, here's a little flip up thing. A rewind, I presume. There's the dark slide, which keeps it light tight when it's out of the camera. A setting to remind you of the type of film and the ASA. There's probably a button to press when you're rewinding. And then there's a little thing here. Catch to open. Looks like the inside of a 35mm camera. So you see, this is where the spool goes and where it gets rewound. Got the pressure plate. Looks pristine, and all inside looks pristine. Look, there's a little wheel there. These two obviously connect inside the camera. Look, they've got the usual thing to grab the end of the film. So, close that up, put it away for now. Nice little pocket, especially for it. So look, it's quite a heavy camera. Oh, this little thing is. Anyway. Adox photo work. This probably is a frame counter. This says ASA as well. Oh, there's a meter here, of course. Not the meter actually works or not. And do they open the back? Oh, you're going to have to read the instructions. It's obviously the shutter release button. Take the cap off. So, Steinheil München. Casse 2.8 45mm. This is the EV setting here. Flash sync. focusing on the end there, and it's not actually a rangefinder. The shutter speeds linked because of the EV. 500th of a second. So this cocks and winds on. So, got it to F22 and 1 second. See how that works. It's down at F22, you can see, but the 1 second's not working.